Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to salvage an old iPhone. If in case you get an iPhone, this iPhone 11, right now the 18's about to come out, 17's out. So I got iPhone 11 just to help me with some YouTube stuff. And, as far as the hardware, the kit, everything's like really nice. Like the person that was using it before took good care of it. So no scratches or dents or nothing. Um, Now, once you get your old iPhone, in this case, the iPhone 11, this is probably going to be your biggest issue, which is the battery. So go ahead and open settings. I'm going to show you three things that you can do to salvage the old iPhone. And first, you're going to want to go ahead and click battery. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go to battery health and charging. Check that out. All right, so right here, maximum capacity, 74%. That means that compared to when it was new, it's lost 26% of its battery. All right, so that's what we have to work with. Now that's going to be noticeably different, from a phone with a 99% battery capacity. Just to give you an idea, this phone won't even last a full day, if you're using it. And from charging it up to 95%, all I did was change from iOS 18, which is the iPhone 11, when it was at, to the new iOS 26, and that already drained almost half the battery. Now you can see I'm using a VPN. So a couple things I also did was I downloaded these apps: YouTube Studio, a VPN, and ChatGPT. I haven't really used it at all, and it's already down to like 55%. So yeah, that's pretty bad, guys. But okay, these are the three things that you can do if you can. In case the best thing would be to switch the battery. So you have to go to some secondhand dealer, then switch the battery to a new battery. But if you don't want to do that, and you're just gonna use it at home, just charge it. You definitely don't want to rely on this phone. Take it out, you're gonna be constantly having to charge it. What you would have to do is go to battery, and go ahead and turn on low power mode. That's gonna turn yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on battery percentage just to see where I'm at. So, since filming it, it's already dropped a little, like 2%. The other thing you're gonna wanna make sure is when we go ahead and hit general, we're gonna wanna make sure that none of the background apps, no apps are refreshing on its own without your permission. So go ahead and click that. With the low battery mode, power mode on, it's not going to allow any of those apps to do that anyway. But if you are using your iPhone and then you don't have low power mode on, so I'm going to go ahead but go back and turn it off. Oop. Turning it off now. Now we're going to want to go to general. Then we're going to want to scroll down to background, and you're just going to want to turn off everything you're not using. So I'm not going to be using that. I'm not going to be using freeform or journal. Maps, maybe. Music, no. Notes, yes. Reminders, no. So now it's not going to just refresh on its own without asking my permission. Should I refresh? Okay. So yeah, everything else I'll leave on. But this is a big one, guys. So background app refresh. All right, so low power mode, background app refresh, and you don't want to have the brightness too bright. This is gonna drain your battery pretty fast. So we're gonna wanna keep it always like somewhat low, like at 80%, 75%. I'll go ahead and make it even lower. If I'm gonna be, editing or using it for videos, then I'll probably turn it up higher. But yeah, otherwise you're gonna want to do that. So these three things is make sure your background apps are not refreshing on their own. You're gonna want to make sure that you're using low power mode most of the time, and then you go to battery and low power mode, turn that on. And number three is make sure the brightness is not too high. So a few things you can do to salvage and still use your old iPhone. This is an iPhone 11. Looks nice. I mean, doesn't really look much different from the new iPhones, right? Maybe a little bit thicker. But yeah, I mean, this actually still looks kind of better than some of the other phones. But then, yeah. So go ahead and try that. I hope it helps. You know, like I said, it would probably be best if you replace the battery. But it's like, it's an iPhone 11. How much are these worth now? $100? Maybe you get 150. I doubt it. No one's gonna want one of these now. You're probably just gonna get like a plain old iPhone 17e or even iPhone 16, which are still pretty good. iPhone 15, you know. So yeah. Anyways, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment below if it did. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.